Gun owners rallied together Saturday to protest President Obama's efforts to ban assault weapons and strengthen other gun laws. Hundreds of Second Amendment supporters gathered at the Hernando County Fairgrounds this afternoon to stand in solidarity with the national campaign Guns Across America. Texas airline pilot Eric Reed launched the campaign after President Obama's comments regarding the Sandy Hook incident, which left 27 dead. Gun owners believe President Obama is abusing his power by the use of executive orders, advocating the ban on assault rifles, and limiting magazine rounds. Bill Pfaff told me that this is similar to how Hitler gained power over Germany, and that we must stop trying to disarm America. Donnie Arnold, an NRA-certified weapons instructor, is not opposed to making our schools safer, but disagrees with a national background check to purchase firearms. One of Obama's executive orders allows doctors to ask patients if they have firearms in their homes. He said that's an invasion of our privacy and will lead to more government control. A likeness of Patrick Henry, the colonial patriot and writer of the famed speech, "Give me liberty or give me death," was on hand echoing that legendary speech from March 23, 1775. One of the speakers asked veterans and current military in the audience if they recalled the oath given at the time of their swearing in, which says, "I swear to defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, both foreign and domestic." Reporting on scene at the Hernando County Fairgrounds, I'm Tom Lemons. Real news, real fast.